All right, I am in Poteau, Oklahoma today, and I'm going to be checking out this house, which has been gutted. This house was built in 1900, and it looks like somebody had bought it maybe a couple years ago and had gutted it and was thinking about redoing it, but of course quit. And it's pretty large inside square footage wise. Definitely smells like a 100-year-old house in here. Looks like they've taken out all the original electrical, and looks like they've redone quite a bit of plumbing. The house is definitely pretty much gutted to the bare bones. These may be newer windows. They look kind of cheap, but I think they're newer windows. The original fireplace area, I suppose. This part puzzles me though. So, see this column of brick here? It looks like it's not supported by anything. Like there's that 1 2x4 holding up this whole column of brick. That's what it looks like. I could be wrong, but that's what it looks like to me. It's hard for me to tell how old or how new this plywood is. It's obviously newer than the rest of the building, but it doesn't look that new either. So I'm not really sure how long this has sat here. Oh gee. I'm not 100% certain in these floors. Looks like there's been some animals in here. Probably some cats, or quite possibly some raccoons hanging out in here. I mean, you can definitely tell this is brand, this is all new. So, they definitely put some effort into it. But, whatever the situation may be, ran out of money, ran out of time, realized the market's tanking, realized that this is not going to be worth $1 million like they thought it would. That's some pretty bad mold right there. Yeah, there's some pretty bad mold right there. There's definitely some water damage going on here. And here's this tiny, narrow little staircase. Definitely was a beautiful home when it was brand new, I'm sure. It's a little bit odd that it doesn't have any sort of garage. You'd think that over the last 123 years, somebody would have built a garage onto this. But, yeah, I got a feeling that this is probably sat empty for a while. I'm even thinking that this is the second flipper that bought it. I'm thinking somebody bought this, started working on it, gave up, sold it to the next person, they started working on it, and gave up. That's my guess. They've got this little side yard here, but if I had to guess, that's what I'm guessing happened. There's just an awful lot of work to be done here, but it's a pretty house. I like this little corner.